Dear friends, welcome to this channel. This video is about the percentage composition of a mixture. Here there are 3 questions. And let us read the first question. Okay. 10 liters of milk and water mixture has 70% milk in it. How much milk should be added to the mixture to make it 90% pure? By reading the question, we understand that the mixture is 10 liter and in 10 liter 70% is milk. That is 70% of 10 liter is 7 liter. The remaining is water. That is 30% or 3 liter is water. Now how much milk we should be added to make it 90%? It is the question. Let us do it. Ten liter is the original amount. Now 70% is milk. That is 7 liter is milk. Let us represent milk as M. The remaining is 30%, that is 3 liter is water. It is represented as W. Now when we add an X amount of milk, it will be X. This becomes 10 plus X. Okay. When milk is added, this amount will be 77 plus X. Milk is added, this new amount will be 7 plus X. Okay. This will be 90%. That is 90% of 10 plus X is 7 plus X. That is the equation here we are going to do. Okay. 10 plus X into 90% is equal to 7 plus X. Okay. Now derive this equation to get the value of X. Okay. Ten into 9 is 90. 10 into 9 into X is 9X is equal to 10 into 7 is 70 plus 10 into X is 10X. Okay. Now 9x minus 10x minus 9x is x. 90 minus 70 is 20. Where we directly got x is 20. So by adding 20 liter of milk, it will be 90% pure. That is, originally there is 10 liter. Now we are adding 20 liter. The total amount will be 30 liter. And of 30 liter, 90% of 30 liter, let us check. 30 into 90% is equal to 27. Now the remaining 27 plus 3. 3 ml will be the amount of water. 27 liter milk and 3 liter water. Total 30 liter is the total amount. Here the answer is this one. Okay. Let us move to another question. Four liter of milk and water mixture has 75% milk in it. How much milk should be added to the mixture to make it 80% pure? In this, we are doing in one step. It is 4 liter is the original amount. 75% of 4 liter is 3 liter that we know. So 4 plus x is the amount we add into 80% is 3 plus x. That is, originally the amount of milk is 3, total amount is 4, 1 liter is water, x is the amount we added. This is the single step. Doing this, we get the value. Here the answer is 1. Value of x is 1. Now let us check this. If we add 1 liter, the total amount will be 5 liter. So what is the 80% of 5? Is equal to 4. Okay. %25 will be 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Answer is 1. Let us do another problem. 20 liter of milk and water mixture has 80% milk in it. How much milk should be added to the mixture to make it 95% pure? Okay, how can we do this in one step? First, let us find 80% of 20 is 16. Originally 16 liter milk and 4 liter water is there. This is the original amount. Now we are adding some milk. So it will be 20 plus x. Total amount will be 20 plus x. And it's 95%. Is equal to 16 ml is the original milk. 16 plus x is the added milk. Okay. Now let us try to get the value of x. 20 into 95. 1900 plus 95x is equal to 16 into 100. 1600 plus 100x. Okay. Now deriving this equation, we get 100 minus 95 is 5x is equal to 1900 minus 1600 is 300. Okay, then x is equal to 5 into 60. This is the answer. It is 60 liter. Is the answer. Okay. Now 60 liter is the added milk. Originally it is 20 liter, so the total is 80 liter. Total is 80 liter. Here it is total 20 liter. So, in 80 liter, the total amount is 16 originally has, and 60. 16 plus 16 is 76 ml liter milk, and 4 ml, 4 liter is 4 liter itself, 4 liter water. Okay. So this is the answer. Thank you.